Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to share 5 realistic ways you can start making $100 a day with passive income. These aren't get-rich-quick schemes, these are genuine, sustainable strategies that I've either used or seen work. So, if you want to start earning while you sleep, stick around because this video is going to be packed with value. Before we dive in, if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Your support really helps me keep bringing you useful content like this. Let's jump right into it. The first idea on our list is investing in dividend-paying stocks. These are stocks that not only have the potential to appreciate in value, but also provide you with a steady stream of income. Now, I know investing in the stock market might sound intimidating to some of you, but let me break it down for you. It's not as complex as it seems, and with a bit of knowledge, you can navigate it confidently. Dividend stocks are shares of companies that pay out a portion of their profits to shareholders regularly. This means you get a piece of the company's earnings just for holding their stock. You buy a stock, they pay you, sometimes quarterly, sometimes monthly. It's a way to earn passive income without having to sell your shares. It's like getting a little bonus just for being invested. Imagine receiving a notification on your phone that you've just earned money while doing nothing. For example, companies like Coca-Cola and Johnson & Johnson are known for their consistent dividend payments. They've been doing it for years. These companies have a long history of rewarding their shareholders. Historically, companies with a solid track record for paying dividends tend to be more stable, which makes them a safer bet in the long run. They often have strong financials and a proven business model. With a well-diversified dividend portfolio, it's entirely possible to earn $100 a day or more, especially as your investments grow. Diversification helps spread risk and increases the potential for steady income. Now, you're not going to just buy a couple of shares and start seeing $100 a day rolling in. It takes time, patience, and consistency are key. But that's the beauty of it. You're letting your money work for you. Over time, your investments can grow significantly. It's all about building a portfolio over time and reinvesting those dividends. Reinvesting allows you to buy more shares, which in turn earn you more dividends. Those dividends buy you more shares, which earn you more dividends. It's like a snowball effect. The more you reinvest, the larger your portfolio grows. Think about it, you buy a stock for $100, it pays a 4% dividend yield, that's $4 a year. Not much, right? But it adds up over time. But what if you had $25,000 invested in that stock? The returns become much more significant. That's $1,000 a year. And if you keep reinvesting those dividends, your earnings will continue to grow. Now imagine that growing over time with more investments and those dividends compounding. The growth can be exponential. That's how you build real wealth. It's a long-term strategy that can lead to financial independence. Of course, this isn't something that happens overnight. It requires dedication and a long-term perspective. It's all about building a portfolio over time and reinvesting those dividends. Consistency and patience are your best friends in this journey, but the payoff? Totally worth it. Imagine the financial freedom and peace of mind that comes with a well-built dividend portfolio. Second on the list is earning passive income through Airbnb. If you've got a spare room, a guest house, or even an entire property, renting it out on platforms like Airbnb can generate a pretty steady cash flow. This is a fantastic way to make use of space that might otherwise just be sitting empty. Let's break down the numbers. If you charge, say, $50 a night and rent out the space for just 20 days in a month, you've already hit $1,000. That's more than $100 a day. And this is just a conservative estimate. And that's just with a basic setup. Imagine if you had a larger property or were in a high-demand area. The potential is huge. Properties in popular tourist destinations or bustling city centers can command even higher rates. What's even better is that once you set everything up, it requires minimal effort on your part. You can manage everything from the comfort of your home. You create your listing, set your price, and manage your bookings all online. The platform is user-friendly and guides you through each step. Airbnb makes it super easy. They provide tools to help you optimize your listing and attract more guests. From my personal experience, I've seen friends who use Airbnb as a solid source of income, even renting out just a room in their home. They've been able to cover their mortgage payments and even save up for vacations. The key is creating a welcoming space, providing excellent customer service, and making sure your listing stands out. A well-decorated room with thoughtful touches can make all the difference. Think about what makes you want to book an Airbnb. Is it the photos, the amenities, the location? All these factors play a crucial role in attracting guests. High-quality photos and a detailed description can significantly increase your booking rate. Put yourself in the shoes of a traveler and make your listing irresistible. Think about what you would want in a home away from home, and don't forget about those little touches that make a big difference. A welcome note, fresh flowers, or a basket of snacks can make guests feel special. A welcome basket with local goodies, a guidebook with your favorite spots in town, these things go a long way in getting you those 5-star reviews. Guests appreciate the effort and are more likely to leave positive feedback. Remember, with Airbnb, you're not just renting out a space, you're providing an experience. The more memorable and enjoyable you make it, the more successful you'll be. Affiliate marketing. Earn while you share. The third way you can generate passive income is through affiliate marketing. This method has gained immense popularity over the years, and for good reason. This one's a game changer if you love sharing products and services you believe in. Imagine getting paid for simply talking about the things you already use and love. How does it work? You promote someone else's product, and when someone buys through your unique link, you earn a commission. It's a win-win situation for both you and the company. It's like being rewarded for recommending something you love. Think of it as word-of-mouth marketing, but with a financial incentive. Amazon's affiliate program is one of the most popular out there, but there are endless options in every niche: fitness, tech, finance, you name it. You can find products that align perfectly with your interests and audience. You can find an affiliate program for almost anything these days. From niche-specific products to general consumer goods, the possibilities are vast. A lot of people are earning 6-figure incomes just from affiliate marketing alone. It's not just a side hustle. For many, it's a full-time job. The great thing is you don't need to create your own product, and once your content is out there, it can keep generating income for years. Your blog posts, videos, and social media updates can continue to bring in revenue long after they are published. The key is to be authentic. Authenticity builds trust, and trust leads to sales. Don't just promote anything and everything, focus on products and services that you genuinely use and believe in. Your audience will appreciate your honesty and be more likely to follow your recommendations. Your audience can spot a fake from a mile away. Being genuine in your promotions will help you build a loyal following. Whether you run a blog, a YouTube channel, or just have a large social media following, affiliate marketing can be a fantastic way to hit that $100 a day mark with little ongoing effort. The more content you create, the more opportunities you have to earn. And the best part? It's completely scalable. You can start small and gradually expand your reach. You can start with a small audience and grow it over time. As your audience grows, so does your earning potential. The more people you reach, the more potential you have to earn. With dedication and consistency, affiliate marketing can become a significant source of passive income. Digital products. Your knowledge is power. Next up, we have selling digital products. Digital products can be anything from ebooks, online courses, printables, or even design templates. Once you create the product, it's out there forever, generating income without additional work. For example, I know people who have created simple planners or budget spreadsheets, posted them on Etsy or Gumroad, and they sell like hotcakes. What's great about this model is that there's no inventory, no shipping, just pure profit. Think about what you're good at. What skills do you have that others might be willing to pay for? Can you teach someone how to code, bake a cake, or speak a new language? These are all things you can turn into digital products. If you're good at something, whether it's designing, writing, or even photography, you can turn that skill into a passive income stream by creating a digital product. It's scalable and accessible, making it one of my favorite passive income ideas. And the beauty of digital products is that they can be sold over and over again. You create it once, and it has the potential to generate income indefinitely. That's the power of passive income. REITs. Real estate investing made easy. Finally, we have REITs, which stands for Real Estate Investment Trusts. Think of REITs as a way to invest in real estate without actually owning property. You pool your money with other investors, and the REIT manages the real estate investments for you. REITs pay dividends just like stocks, and many have excellent returns. You can invest in commercial properties, apartment complexes, and even hospitals without having to deal with the headaches of being a landlord. No more late-night calls from tenants, no more dealing with repairs or vacancies. REITs take care of all of that for you. Some REITs have a dividend yield of 4 to 6%, which can quickly add up if you're consistently reinvesting. Plus, they're much more liquid than physical real estate. You can buy and sell them like stocks, so you get the benefits of real estate investing without the hassle. And because REITs are publicly traded, you can easily buy and sell them on the stock market. It's a much more liquid investment than owning physical property. So whether you want the flexibility of digital products, the steady cash flow of dividend stocks, or the convenience of REITs, there's a passive income stream out there for you. The key is consistency. Building these streams over time and reinvesting your earnings will help you reach that $100 a day goal. Now that you've got these 5 realistic ideas for making $100 a day with passive income, it's time to take action. Don't just watch, start applying these ideas today. Remember, the road to financial freedom is a marathon, not a sprint, but the results are well worth the effort. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or passive income ideas of your own, drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.